Hey everyone! Are you tired of spending hours hand-washing dishes or dealing with bulky, expensive dishwashers? What if I told you there's a way to save time, space, and money, all while getting spotless dishes? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 countertop dishwashers of 2025, and trust me, the number 1 pick will leave you speechless. Stick around because these units are absolute game changers. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Danby Countertop Dishwasher. This Danby Countertop Dishwasher is ENERGY STAR certified, and it has a high capacity at 6 place settings. It has a white plastic finish, and it makes use of simple push-button controls. We like that the 2 fold-down cup shelves and removable flatware basket add to the capacity and flexibility of this unit. This model has 6 wash cycles ranging from intense soak to a high-temperature boost for cookware or other particularly dirty items. It also has a 2-, 4- or 8-hour delay wash option. While a little old-fashioned, we do appreciate the tactile buttons with indicator lights. Some machines with flat buttons offer no clear feedback, and it can be tough to know if you have pressed hard enough. Lights and buttons offer immediate feedback that the cycle is starting. Number 2. Comfee 5L Portable Mini Dishwasher. This mini dishwasher from Comfee is a slightly smaller, more affordable version of the 6-liter model we tested in our lab, and recommend, below. With a recommended capacity of 2 place settings, it is probably best reserved for households with 1 or 2 people. But what it sacrifices in size it makes up for in cleaning quality. Like its larger counterpart, this model has a plastic interior and a flatware holder that folds down from the side of the rack. This unit allows you the flexibility of connecting it to a kitchen faucet or filling the built-in tank with the provided pitcher. Comfee did a great job at cleaning up dirty dishes in our evaluations, and they came out completely dry at the end of every cycle. Number 3. Comfee 6L Countertop Dishwasher. We tested this Comfee countertop unit in our lab and were impressed by its user-friendliness. This unit can be hooked up to a sink or filled by hand, and its clearly labeled cycles made it a breeze to use. In addition to the straightforward controls, a timer screen displays the minutes remaining in the cycle while the machine runs. We tested its ability to remove tough food residues like dried egg yolk and chocolate syrup, and it earned an almost perfect cleaning score. The model has 5 different washing cycles and an auto-open option, which automatically cracks the door at the end of the cycle to aid in drying. With this feature enabled, our dishes came out completely dry every time we ran a cycle. At 2 place settings, this model is probably best for a home with 1 or 2 people. Number 4. Hava R01 Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Despite its compact footprint of 17 by 17 by 18 inches, the Hava holds up to 4 place settings. Though smaller in capacity than some, it's an ideal choice for 1 or 2 person households and those living in small apartments where counter space is at a premium. This mini appliance features 4 wash cycles, and each is automatically followed by a 60-minute dry cycle. It also includes a cycle that offers a very high-temperature final rinse, meaning it's ideal for baby bottles or sanitizing eating utensils, food prep items, or even pet bowls. There's even a fruit cycle that rinses produce when used with the included basket, but check FDA guidelines before cleaning produce. A test sample of the Hava was sent to one of our GH staffers who praised it for its performance and unique features. Number 5. Magic Chef Portable Countertop Dishwasher. At only 52 decibels, this Magic Chef is tied with our best overall pick for quietest dishwasher, which is a real plus in small kitchens and tiny apartments. At almost 22 inches, this Magic Chef is among the deepest countertop models we recommend, so be sure to measure your counter space before you buy. This unit is ENERGY STAR certified, and it offers many other amenities usually found on a full-size dishwasher. It has a metal interior, and the separate flatware basket and 2 flip-down cup shelves help it hold up to 6 place settings. The 6 wash programs include everything from intense wash to rinse only, plus there's a 24-hour delay wash option that adjusts in 1-hour increments to better match the dishwasher's schedule to yours. If you schedule it to run while you are away or asleep, it can be a great tool for keeping noise to a minimum. So, which one of these countertop dishwashers are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more life-changing gadgets and reviews. All the product links are waiting for you in the description, go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep those dishes clean and stay awesome.